Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. Which window function in PostgreSQL is used to return the value evaluated at the row that is a certain number of rows before the current row within the partition? The correct answer is option A, LG. In PostgreSQL, which type of index is specifically designed for handling very large tables where the data has a natural physical correlation with the column values, e.g., timestamps? The correct answer is option B, BRIN, block range index. Which operator is used in PostgreSQL to check if a JSON document contains any of the keys specified in a text array? The correct answer is option C. What is the primary difference between vacuum and vacuum full in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D. Vacuum full reclaims more space by compacting the table but requires an exclusive lock. Which configuration file in PostgreSQL is primarily used to control client authentication, e.g., which users can connect from which IP addresses? The correct answer is option A, pg_hba.conf. To perform a hierarchical or recursive query in PostgreSQL, which keyword must accompany the with clause? The correct answer is option B, recursive. Which PostgreSQL function is used to convert a string into a its vector for full-text search purposes? The correct answer is option C, to_its vector. What is the purpose of the scitext extension in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D. It provides a case-insensitive character string type. Under the repeatable read isolation level in PostgreSQL, what occurs if a transaction tries to modify a row that was updated by another concurrent transaction since the current transaction began? The correct answer is option A. A serialization failure error is raised. Which PostgreSQL extension allows you to access tables located in a different PostgreSQL database as if they were local tables? The correct answer is option B, Postgres_FW. What happens when you run explain analyze on a delete statement? The correct answer is option C. The statement is actually executed and data is deleted. Which type of constraint ensures that no two rows have overlapping ranges, e.g., preventing double booking a room? The correct answer is option D, exclusion constraint. In PostgreSQL function volatility categories, which category is assigned to a function that cannot modify the database and always returns the same result when given the same arguments? The correct answer is option A, immutable. What is the PostgreSQL free space map FSM track? The correct answer is option B, the location of reusable space within relation files. Which command is used to create a partition table using declarative partitioning in PostgreSQL 10 and later? The correct answer is option C, create table. Partition by. To enable row-level security, RLS, on a table, which command must be executed after creating the policies? The correct answer is option D. Alter table underscore name, enable row-level security. Which configuration parameter determines the minimum execution time for a query to be logged in the PostgreSQL server logs? The correct answer is option A. Log underscore min underscore duration underscore statement. In the context of PostgreSQL MVCC, what do the hidden system columns SMIN and SMAX represent? The correct answer is option B. The transaction IDs for row insertion and deletion/update respectively. Which operator is used for string concatenation in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C. Which extension provides a way to track execution statistics of all SQL statements executed by a PostgreSQL server? The correct answer is option D. PG underscore stat underscore statements. What is the primary effect of increasing the shared underscore buffers configuration parameter? The correct answer is option A. It allocates more memory for the database to cache data blocks. Which type of trigger can be defined on a view to allow it to handle insert, update, or delete operations? The correct answer is option B, instead of trigger. Which clause is used with aggregate functions to only include certain rows in the aggregation without using a subquery? The correct answer is option C, filter. When creating a sequence, what does the cache option specify? The correct answer is option D. The number of times a sequence can be reused. What is the purpose of the lateral keyword when used with a subquery and a from clause? The correct answer is option A. It allows the subquery to reference columns from preceding items in the from list. Which PostgreSQL tool is used to perform a physical hot backup of a running database cluster? The correct answer is option B, PG underscore base backup. Which feature allows a user to lock a specific application-defined resource that is not a database object, like a table or a row? The correct answer is option C, advisory locks. Which operator is used to check if a value is present in a PostgreSQL array? The correct answer is option D, any. Which system catalog table stores information about tables, indexes, sequences, and views in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A, PG underscore class. In PostgreSQL, what is the maximum size of a single database row, tuple, across multiple pages, effectively managed by Toast? The correct answer is option B. No practical limit, up to 1 GB per field. Thank you for watching.